In the realm of modern adventure and craftsmanship, few pursuits embody the spirit of resilience and ingenuity as vividly as Michael Atkinson's quest to fashion a seaworthy dugout canoe from a mammoth 16-foot Norfolk Pine log. Known to his audience as Outback Mike, Michael's journey isn't just a feat of physical labor. It's a testament to human connection with nature, historical reverence, and the artistry of traditional craftsmanship. From the outset, Michael's choice of Norfolk Pine, a lightweight yet sturdy wood native to the South Pacific, speaks volumes about his meticulous planning and respect for materials. This selection isn't arbitrary. It's rooted in centuries-old wisdom, where indigenous cultures relied on such woods for their maritime ventures. The challenge begins with hollowing out the log, a task requiring a delicate balance between retaining enough thickness for structural integrity and removing excess weight for buoyancy and maneuverability. What sets Michael apart is his commitment to authenticity and sustainability. Rather than resorting to modern chemicals to combat wood-boring insects, he employs heat, a method echoing the resourcefulness of historical castaways like James Merrill, who survived against all odds with similar techniques. This approach not only preserves the integrity of the wood, but also underscores Michael's ethos of harmony with nature. As the log gradually transforms into a sleek vessel, Michael's craftsmanship shines through. Each swing of the axe and adze is deliberate, respecting the natural grain of the wood, a technique honed over years of survival training and admiration for indigenous craftsmanship. The exterior takes shape with meticulous attention to aerodynamics and hydrodynamics, ensuring the canoe glides through water with minimal resistance, a testament to both form and function. months of relentless dedication culminate in a masterpiece, a fully realized dugout canoe poised for an epic solo voyage along Australia's formidable coastline. For Michael, this project transcends mere craftsmanship. It's a spiritual odyssey, a journey of self-discovery and profound respect for the natural world. Through his meticulous documentation and storytelling on Outback Mike's channel, Michael invites us to witness not just a physical endeavor, but a narrative of human resilience and ingenuity, bridging ancient wisdom with contemporary adventure. Beyond its practicality, Michael infuses the canoe with historical reverence and cultural homage. Integrating outriggers for stability and a sail for wind propulsion, he pays tribute to millennia-old maritime traditions, where such innovations ensured survival and prosperity on the high seas. These additions not only enhance the canoe's capabilities, but also symbolize a deep connection to the indigenous cultures whose knowledge shaped his journey. In a world where technological advancements often overshadow traditional skills, Michael's endeavor serves as a poignant reminder of the enduring value of craftsmanship, sustainability, and cultural preservation. It's a celebration of the human spirit's boundless curiosity and our timeless quest to explore, adapt, and thrive amidst nature's vast and unforgiving landscapes. Join Outback Mike on this extraordinary journey, an exploration that goes beyond the creation of a canoe, delving deep into the heart of historical narratives and the intricate relationship between humanity and the natural world. Join us to discover interesting stories, traditional techniques, and respect for nature through a sensory and meaningful journey. Subscribe to the channel now, so you don't miss any updates on this amazing adventure. And join us on a journey beyond the limited dates. Thank you for your support, and click the subscribe button now to share your passion and explore the beauty of nature with Outback Mike.